How to use Capchase Invest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think Capchase Invest is just a fintech investment platform, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that reduce potential returns. Here's how to use it properly. Capchase Invest allows users to access startup equity, recurring revenue-based investments, and fintech opportunities. The first mistake is skipping due diligence. Investing without reviewing company financials, growth potential, or market position increases risk. The second mistake is ignoring liquidity. Many investments have lock-in periods. Beginners often underestimate how long funds are tied up, which can impact cash flow. Another common error is poor diversification. Focusing on one startup or sector exposes capital to high risk. Red investments to balance potential gains with stability. Beginners also overlook platform analytics. Capchase provides insights, investor updates, and projected returns. Ignoring these can prevent smarter allocation. Finally, failing to monitor regulatory requirements and fees is a mistake. Cross-border investments, transaction fees, and tax obligations can affect net returns. Used correctly, Capchase Invest is more than a platform. It's a gateway to alternative investment opportunities. Conduct due diligence. Consider liquidity, diversify, review analytics, and understand fees and regulations. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter investing and long-term growth.